In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on game mode and optimize your PC. Now, if you turn on game mode on your PC, it will make it better for gaming. You can do that by simply searching for game mode settings, or you can open up the system settings and go into gaming. And in here, you should have the option to press game mode. Now, like it says right here, when game mode is on, Windows optimizes your PC for play. Now, for most people, this is a pretty good option if you're playing games, but I've seen some people having issues when they have this on, like it's causing stuttering and flickering and stuff. So if you have any issues, just disable it, but for most people, it's gonna be a good option. As you can see, I'm already using it and it's been helping me a lot, so you can just enable it in here. Now, I also recommend coming into Game Bar and disabling this one, because for some reason this is causing FPS issues and lag in games, and as soon as I turned this off, most of my games were fixed. So I recommend turning off Game Bar and turning on Game Mode. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.